How to create jobs and publications. To create a new job, click on Add New Job on the side menu or directly on the New Job card on the job dashboard. You can choose to create a new job form or use a previous job as a template. Let's start with a new job form. When creating a job, you need to provide information on the profile you are looking for by filling the job information. The internal description is private and is meant to include the specifications for a given position to allow better communication within the recruitment team. You can also generate a reference code, but it's not mandatory. Choose the workflow you want to use on this job, then fill the job's address. Next, you can fill all the contract details, although employment type is the only required field. You can then determine the desired work experience, detailing the industry and years of experience. Note that in accordance with the job title, you're presented with suggestions for the job category in order to improve the job description accuracy. Next, fill the education requirements and the required languages. You can use advanced options if you wish to further increase the efficiency of the matching. Additionally, you can also specify languages that will be considered a plus. Lastly, add the recruiters you wish to provide access to the job. At this point, you have two options: publish and leave, and the job is created without publications, or click Next and create a publication immediately. In this case, we'll publish and leave. Going back to the dashboard, you can see the job you've just created. Enter the job and click on Overview on the top right corner of your screen to review the job information. On the right side, you'll find the actions you can perform on the job: duplicate, edit, or archive. Click on Add New Job again. This time, click on Use Previous Job as Template. Choose a job from the list and click on Show Detailed Customization. Here you can review all the job details and choose the information you wish to copy. Click Next to go to the job form, which will be already filled. Review and edit information as you please, then click Next to create a publication. Publications can also be created from scratch or based on a previous one. Let's start with a new publication form. The first thing you need to define is the type of publication you wish to make. You have three types: internal, external, and recruitment agency. Bear in mind that you can have more than one active publication per job, as long as they're from different types, but you need to create them separately. Also, each publication can provide different information regarding the job title, description, etc. That way, you have the possibility to have multiple offers for the same position. You may choose a color to identify the publication and then choose the AI boost level. The unassisted applicant screening option will have two CV types available: simplified CV and standardized CV, but will not include additional application steps. Recruiters will need to send post-application step requests to the candidates they wish to complete the personality test or the video interview. And most importantly, with the unassisted applicant screening option, candidates won't be accepted or rejected by our AI algorithms. If you choose to be assisted by our AI, select Assisted Applicant Screening, which only allows a standardized CV, but can include a personality test and video interview steps, and candidates are matched and ranked by our AI algorithms. Next, choose the language you want a publication to be in. Beware that if you select more than one language, you'll need to fill some fields in all the languages you've selected. In that case, you can reorder the selected languages, and the publication default language will be the one you put on top. Bear in mind that once you click Next, it won't be possible to edit the languages. In the job review section, you'll see all the information you have previously filled for this job. You can keep it as is or make changes by clicking on the Edit button on your right. Every time you edit a field, you'll be signaled with a red warning, as we recommend against editing the job on the publication itself, as it will not edit the job itself, thus creating some inconsistencies. After you checked all the information, click Next. On the publication details, you can attribute a new job title or keep the same for the publication. As this will be the title the applicants will see, choose the end date, if you wish to have one, and specify the date for the first day of work. If this was a recruitment agency publication type, you would also need to choose the agency or agencies in this section. Next, choose the company logo you want to appear in this publication and then add the steps you'll use in this recruitment process. In this case, Set a personality test type by answering a quick questionnaire and add the video interview questions. Click Next to go to the information page where you need to fill in the company description, the role responsibilities, the must-have and nice-to-have requirements, and tell candidates what you offer them. Be careful not to contradict the information you've added so far. Following is the Extra page, where you can add some CV add-ons, either some extra questions or specific information you may wish to request from your candidates and activate integrations if applicable. Finally, you can review all the publication's information, make corrections if needed, and finalize by clicking Publish. We're back to the same job on the dashboard, and now let's create a new publication of a different type for this job. Here you have two options. Choose an existing publication from this job, or choose the publication from another job. If you wish to choose the publication from another job, you need to turn off the option Choose existing publication from this job. In this case, we are using the publication we've just created as a template. Next, you can expand a detailed customization to see all the information and choose the fields you want to copy. The next steps are the same as for creating a new publication. If you wish, you can edit both jobs and publications after they're created. To edit the job, you can click on Actions on the job card and choose Edit, or go inside the job, click on the Overview and then on the Edit button on your right. Change the field as you wish, then just click Save and Leave. To edit a publication, enter the job, click on Publications and then either click on the Actions button on the right or enter the publication and use the Edit button. Change the field as you wish, then just click Save and Leave.